Are you looking for top-notch Chevrolet service near Sebring or Central Florida? Choose Huston Chevrolet. Our GM-certified service department in Avon Park, Florida is ready to meet your needs. When selecting a Chevy service department, consider these key factors: GM-certified technicians, genuine OEM parts, transparent pricing, convenient hours, and warranty-safe repairs. Huston Chevrolet checks all these boxes. Our technicians are factory-trained experts who work only on Chevrolet vehicles. We use only genuine GM parts to ensure your vehicle's warranty remains valid. Plus, our service hours are designed for your convenience. Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and Saturday from 8 o'clock a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. With us, scheduling your service is a breeze. But what about the services we offer? Our team provides comprehensive maintenance and repair services, including oil changes, brake inspections, tire rotations, transmission services, and warranty repairs. Every service is logged directly to your vehicle's VIN, keeping your warranty intact. Choosing Huston Chevrolet means choosing certified, dependable care for your Chevy. Our GM-certified technicians are continually trained on the latest technologies to provide you with the best service possible. If you own a certified pre-owned Chevrolet, remember that warranty repairs must be completed at a GM-certified service department like Huston Chevrolet to maintain your coverage. Ready to experience the exceptional service at Huston Chevrolet? Schedule your appointment online or call us at 800-930-5769 today. Don't forget, we are conveniently located just 20 minutes from Sebring. Trust Huston Chevrolet for all your Chevrolet service needs in Central Florida.